Hi, in this video I'll show you how to model Jiggly Jelly in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube. Go to Add menu and add cylinder. Change the vertices to 10. Change the mode to edit mode. Select the upper face of the cylinder and decrease its size. Select the lower face and increase its size. Change the display shade to wireframe. And select all the side faces of the cylinder. Click the Alt and E buttons together. Select Extrude individual faces. Change the mode to Object Mode. Go to Modifiers Properties and select Subdivision Modifier. Change the level viewport to 3 and render to 3. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Use the inset faces to adjust the shape of the jiggly jelly. If you need to increase the edges to adjust the shape, press Ctrl and R buttons together and add edges. Change the mode to Object Mode. Click right and select Shade Smooth. Whipping Cream Modeling. Go to Add menu. Add Curve Path. Change the path curve size. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Go to Object Data Properties. Select Geometry and under the Bevel property select Profile. Change the depth to 0.19 and change the resolution to 20. And from the preset drop list select Cornice Molding. Press Alt and S buttons together and change the size of the cream at any segment. Select any vertex and change its position by clicking G and move mouse to get the creamed shape. Adjust the shape and the position of the whipped cream. Modeling the cherry. Go to Add menu. Add UV sphere. Change the mode to Edit mode. Change the position of the vertices to get the cherry shape. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Modifier Properties. Select Subdivision Modifier. Change Level Viewport to 3 and change Render to 3. Click right and select Shade Smooth. Change the size of the cherry. Put the cherry at suitable position. Go to Add menu. Add Curve Path. Rotate it by 90 degrees. Move it to suitable position. Change the mode to Edit mode. Adjust the shape by changing the positions of the vertices. Go to Object Data Properties. Under Bevel Property, select Round. Change the depth to 0.1. Now you can change the thickness. Select any vertex. Press Alt and S buttons together. Move the mouse to adjust the thickness. Go to Add menu, Add Plane. Press S and change its size. We'll use this plane to create our studio render after complete modeling. Dish Modeling. Go to Add menu, Add Circle. Change the mode to Edit mode. Press F. Select Inset and change the shape of the dish. Change the mode to object mode. To add thickness to the dish, go to Modifier Properties, then click on Add Modifier. Select Solidify. Select Add Modifier. Add Subdivision Surface. Change Level Viewport to 3. Change Render to 3:2. Click Apply. Right-click and select Shades Smooth. Select the plane. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Select Edge Select Mode. Select two adjacent edges. Press E then Z. Move up. Select three adjacent edges as shown. Press Ctrl and B buttons. Change the segment's number to 37. Change the mode to object mode. Adding light. Go to Add menu, Add Light Area. Select Object Data Properties. Change Power to 1000. Change Shape to Ellipse. Press Shift and D buttons together to add a copy of the light. Change the position and rotate lights as shown. Adding materials. Select the dish. Go to Material Properties. Select New. Select Base Color and change the color as you want. Change roughness to 0.25. Change transmission to 0.27. Select the Jiggly Jelly. Select New Material. Change the base color to red or any Jiggly Jelly color you want. Change roughness to 0.01. Change transmission to B1. Select the whipped cream. Select New. Change roughness to 0.2. Select the cherry. Select New. Change the base color as shown. Change roughness to 0.05. Select the plane. Change base color as shown. Change roughness to 1. Select the camera. Press N. Check camera to view. Adjust the camera position and rotation. Select Render Properties. Select Cycles. Change max samples to 500. Go to Render menu. Select Image. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.